Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Right now, we have a good cause here in studio that you need to support, and it comes in the form of Feeding Incorporated. And they're having their annual fundraising dinner and silent auction that comes up a week from today. And here to tell us about it is Misty White, the Assistant Director of Feeding Incorporated. Misty, welcome to the show.
Hi.
Good to have you, bright and early. Just so folks know, we are live. This is very early in the morning, so.
Yes, it is.
So tell me a little bit about what you have coming up.
Yeah, well, we're really excited. We have our annual fundraising dinner and silent auction. We've been doing this for as long as I can remember being a part of the Feeding Incorporated family. I became a part of Feeding Incorporated around 2013. I started helping out with the event about 2015 or 16, I really don't remember. But yeah, we are really excited. It's our first fall annual fundraising dinner and silent auction, and so we're really excited to kick it off in the fall this year.
Why is it so important for you guys to be able to have this happen?
Well, actually, our operating funds come a lot through donor support. We are not government funded at all, and we pay for our food. We do buy food from Ozark Food Harvest. We do get a greatly discounted rate, but we still have to pay for the things that they pay for, and as well as our electric bill. And you all have an electric bill just like me.
Oh, yeah.
And so we also have things like insurance for the building, gas for any food we go and pick up. We do retail pickup. And other things like that. And so we have to keep our costs down and keep ourselves in business.
And do you know roughly on average how much you managed to raise through the silent auction and dinner?
So approximately, I feel like that last year we raised, I think probably $3,500. Yeah, so approximately that. I think it's been, the year before that it was, well, let's see, we didn't do it the year before that. COVID, forget that. 2019, it was probably around about 2,400, and it's just kind of, it's been growing. So.
How far does that money actually go? And I mean, would it be helpful to get more than that?
Yes, it would very much be helpful to get more than that. Our electric bill this summer was $1,500 for 1 month. So.
Wow. And
yeah.
so, I mean, that's half of what you raised last year with this event, just simply going to an electric bill, not to talk about your other costs, and then the food itself. So, I mean, this is something that folks do need to get out to. They do need to support. You did bring some things with you. What are some of the items you have here? So
I have an Andy Thomas print, a fabulous Andy Thomas print here. That Andy and Dina Thomas donated to us, as well as an Andy Thomas puzzle. I have other puzzles as well that I didn't bring for the sake of the room in my car. And Coral Thomas from Coca Art Gallery and Studio donated these original picture cutting boards that she took. And really so nice. She donated those. I have two tickets to Queen Esther at Sight and Sound Theaters in Branson. I have, this is so unique right here. This is a really cool experience. I went to the Carthage Olive Oil Company, and this bottle is empty. But when you take this certificate and this bottle, you will get the most unique tasting experience. Their shop is so full of vinaigrettes, or like balsamic vinegars of different flavors and olive oils of different flavors, and they will walk you through there and let you have different tasting, and then you can choose the bottle of your choice.
All right.
And then Lambeth Auto actually donated this Scentsy, as well as an oil change valued at like I think it was $70, and wow. So and then I have a half hog from Clouds Meats, and I have oil change from Jackson Tire. I have another oil change from Jackson Tire. I have, again, I have lots of auto things. I have a rotate and balance and an oil change from Reeves. I have a four-wheel alignment from Hunter Tire.
Well, just some fantastic prizes.
Yes.
I mean,
I have one, I have to mention, this is so cool. I have a month of music lessons from the Maple Leaf Music Company.
oh wow.
Yeah, and so we have some really neat things lined up for you. I have a lot more than that, but I'm not
So,
going to.
so that's the thing. That's just a small sample of things
Right.
available. Real quick before we're out of time, the event itself, when is it? Where is it? What do people need to know?
So tickets are $30. It is October 3rd at it's at 6:30, and it is going to be at the Carthage Water and Electric Community Room, 627 West Centennial. You can call 359-8800. You can buy tickets online at Facebook, and you can also get tickets at the door.
All right, Misty, thank you so much for coming on.
Yes.
So that's about the event. We'll have the information on our website, and a little later on our show, we're going to hear more about what it is exactly that Feeding Incorporated does for the community. We'll be right back.